And welcome to a new topic. And we're going to speak about the risk depending on different assets that I would like to trade on. Now, I have chosen here by coincidence the platform markets.com, and it's not a platform that I can recommend you, not because the platform itself is bad, but because I think that it doesn't fit. They're expensive, but for our purpose, it helps, it serves us. So we have different assets here, and we will go through them one by one, starting with the one that have the highest risk, and then until the lowest risk. So we have here, I just by coincidence, I've chosen here a synthetic, and we can go also on Ripple. And now we see here in 1 year, and we have the movement here from where we are here. Let's see 1 year. We want to choose from April till April. Okay. And so if you have to choose how many times the market is going up, you see only very small movements, but the big movements is just one big movement, maybe two movements, three movements. And in between, there are just a movement about, what is it here, 20%. Then you have maybe 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. But then again, it's 1 a month, 2 in a month, then again 2 months nothing, then 2 in a month, then nothing again, 1, then what, like here you have 2 months almost nothing, and then again 2 months something. But if you are betting on the false moment, like here you're going in and you don't know when to go out, you're losing here from 80 cents till 40, like 50%. So you need a rise of 100% only to be break even, which you cannot know here. Every time you just like 10-20%, and then it's going from 35 cents to 50. Maybe you would have 80% here, but ask outside there who made this movement. And if you compare at the same time, let's take synthetic again, then at the same time, let's see here from April till April, you have much different movement. Also here it went down, but you had in the meantime it's more often that it went you had a rise here, but also here from 7 till 2 you have lost more than the 50%, like 75%. So you need already 300% to make a gains. And the question is not when to go in the market, but when to realize that you made a mistake and when to go out again. So even if you bet here and you enter the market, you have to know that you have to go out of the market here. So this is the very high risk. You can gain a lot, you can lose a lot, and the opportunities are not so often. As we said here before, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then like 1, 2, 3 months nothing. 4 months nothing, 5 months nothing. After 5 months you're gaining nothing. Of course you have small amounts, but these movements are so fast that you can't bet on them. And then you have again one opportunity, 1 month nothing, and then a short time for 2 days the price went up. So for the start, I wouldn't prefer to bet on cryptocurrencies, but that's up to you. So let's see what other abilities do we have. So the next thing is futures, indices. With futures, you can bet on an indice. So the underlying is here, for example, the US 30. Let's see here again, also in 1 year. So you have one movement here, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, like every month you have a movement. Of course, not so many points. If we go from 33,000 to 34, that's just 1%, depending on how much you're dealing with. If from 1% you can make 10%, so you have the opportunity of 10% up and down. So for the volatility, the movement from starting to the end of the movement is very slow.